How to find trade assurance coverage rules on Alibaba.com. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to look out for it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can directly search for Alibaba.com Trade Center Monitor Rules. And these are the rules. We can just go over and click on this option called Trade Assurance Service Rules. So Alibaba's Trade Assurance is a free buyer, so we can just go over and look out for it in this section. And that it's a program that covers your order only if it's placed. So you can just go over and see that in the trade assurance eligible supplier within the platform rules, you're protected against losses only when the supplier fails to meet the agreed terms in your contract, and that will include on-time shipment protection, product quality protection, and payment protection as well. And your coverage is tied to the contact details you and your supplier confirmed on Alibaba. And to make sure that the coverage applies, your order must be placed and also paid through the platform. And then trade assurance will protect only if you have or the order is started on Alibaba under trade assurance supplier and the payment is done by Alibaba secure methods. And also all the terms must be returned in contract. Verbal promises, chats outside Alibaba, or undocumented changes usually do not count for coverage. And that's it. You can go ahead and check out their rules within their trade and dispute rules section and see what it includes. But for now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.